Do you want to be a professional digital marketer? Well, that's easy. Today, you can find hundreds of online and offline resources to get yourself acquainted with digital marketing concepts. However, you need to look for a reliable vendor who can not only explain the concepts but also give you real life practical experience. Hi, my name is Komal Kashish and you're welcome to our channel Netly. I'll talk about the top 10 digital marketing courses available in the market. I will share some insider secrets with you, so watch this video till the end. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you got notified when we launch more such videos. On my list, there are a few highly ranked online digital marketing courses of 2020. Number 1. Digital Marketing Learning Programs by Netly. These learning courses are structured to focus on making the participants job ready in the digital marketing field. Netly has created first of its kind learning programs in the entire digital marketing space, as the focus is more on hands-on experience of the techniques along with the theory. Netly offers 3 online digital marketing courses as Beginner's Masterclass, Advanced Learning Program, and Expert Learning Program. In all these programs, Netly provides 3 weeks of instructor-led online learning sessions along with hands-on of each module. The modules which are covered include Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, Basics of Web Development, Search Engine Optimizations, Basics of Graphic Design and Video Marketing, Social Media Marketing, Pay-per-click FB ads, Pay-per-click Google ads, Email Marketing, Content Marketing. Each module is covered over 2 to 3 days. On the first day, the domain experts take the online live session followed by demo, and the following day, the participants take the online quiz and work on assignments. This course builds up a strong foundation for working in this field. Number 2. Inbound Marketing Course by HubSpot. The course is structured to focus on customer-first marketing. It focuses on the techniques to draw potential customers and visitors towards a business inwardly instead of going outward to sell the products or services. In this course, HubSpot provides 4 hours of video and a free downloadable study guide which covers the inbound marketing techniques such as content creation, content marketing strategies, social promotions, lead nurturing, conversion optimization, topic cluster. The study is divided into 11 classes and each containing 2 to 5 video lessons and a quiz. This course builds up a strong foundation about attracting and retaining the customers for any business. Number 3. Online Marketing Foundation Course by LinkedIn. LinkedIn, as the leading professional social networking platform, has taken the initiative in providing high-end learning in the form of online marketing foundation course. The program develops marketing skill sets with 4.5 hours of video lessons, quizzes, practice exercises, written transcripts, and an online notebook. The subject it covers include the basics of SEO, web analytics, email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and influencer marketing. Being the first course in the series of approved courses by the American Marketing Association, which was established to allow people to master digital marketing skills, this course has high professional value. Number 4 is SEO Fundamentals by Semrush. Semrush is a well-known name in the field of online visibility and marketing analytics software. Their team of experts has designed an SEO fundamentals courses for people who wish to understand how search engine optimization works and put it into an executable marketing strategy for potential customers. The program starts with a basic understanding of how search engines work, search page layouts, the concepts of crawling, technical SEO, indexing, and ranking signals, international and local SEO. The courses covers every aspects of SEO in 31 lessons, compiles 4 hours of video lectures, additional lectures and practices tests help in building up practical skills. The course has sealed its position among the top 3 digital marketing courses of 2019. Semrush is one of the leading authorities on search engine marketing, and this makes such a SEO certification offering highly reliable and credible. Number 5 is Google Analytics for beginners. For tracking website traffic and related metrics, Google provides an analytics platform to add a better understanding of its widely used web analytics service. Google offers a Google Analytics course for beginners. The course outlines the fundamentals of basic Google Analytics, account creation, reading analytics report, setting up filters and views, setting up dashboards, creating goals, and setting up campaign tracking. After completing the course, one can confidently take up tasks like setting up Google Analytics for clients' business and help them with suggestions based on metrics from the platform. Advanced analytics programs are also available for continuous learning. The high relevance of the course cannot be denied given the monopoly of Google in the search engine market. Number 6 is the complete digital marketing course at Udemy. With 1 lakh courses and 42,000 instructors, Udemy is the leading online learning platform. It has multiple options for digital marketing, among which the complete digital marketing course is the most comprehensive one. A combination of 12 subjects combined in one, the course provides 20 hours of training, quizzes, and practical steps, including projects, checklists, and actionable lectures. The program covers SEO, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Google AdWords, Google Analytics, email marketing, copywriting, WordPress, and marketing research. This course offers high value for the invested time and money for participants. Number 7 is effective content writing for SEO at Udemy. Quality content is gaining the attention of marketers and potential customers alike. Interactive and accurate content is the lifeline of the internet. Hence, there is a rising demand for content creators. The effective content writing for SEO course on Udemy helps in understanding the type of content required to be written for acquiring the top 10 rankings on Google, the basic SEO rules that content needs to follow, and creating well-optimized content for search engines and users. Bloggers would find it the most relevant course to pursue. Number 8 is Digital Marketing Master Course by Digital Vidya. Digital Vidya is the initiator of digital marketing courses in India back in the year 2009. Their instructor-led online digital marketing master course provides the most updated curricula. The program is delivered via 44 modules. The firm is the official training partner for Google India. Students are trained with the most recent changes made in the search and marketing techniques by Google. The course is exhaustive and it covers every single function of digital marketing activity, be it SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, inbound marketing, web analytics, Facebook marketing, and other digital marketing topics. Number 9 is Content Marketing Courses by LinkedIn Learning Lynda.com. Lynda.com was founded by Linda Weinman in 1995 and was acquired by LinkedIn in 2016 under its subsidiary LinkedIn Learning, which is a platform offering online courses on software, creative, and business skills. In the field of content marketing, LinkedIn Learning offers 59 courses and training programs. The courses are available online along with few offline. The program focuses on fundamentals of how to market relevant content over the internet and promote businesses through newsletters, podcasts, social media, etc. Last but not the least, number 10, Facebook Ads Certification Course. Social media users have grown by 202 million between April 2018 and April 2019, with Facebook having 2.375 billion users. Facebook provides a marketplace and other advertisement plans to help businesses and individuals in showcasing their offerings to an enormous number of users. Facebook Ads Certification course at Udemy teaches basic as well as advanced concepts of Facebook marketing, optimizing Facebook ads campaign, and analyzing the reports. Digital marketing is a vast and growing industry. Business owners, marketers, and professionals from across industries today realize its importance. Now, the insider secret. It is estimated that India alone requires 20 lakh digital marketing experts by 2020. Therefore, a huge opportunity exists for beginners and professionals to build a career in digital marketing. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video, like and tell people about it. Leave a comment on what topic you want us to cover in the next video, or if you have any other question, we will help you to get an answer. Also, there is a blog link in the description below that you can go through for more details on these programs.